Morning, foggy start.
Yeah, I just wanted to bring the changes really, Roger and Sian, just to show you that it's not all plain sailing today. That's the picture in Cornwall at the moment. We've picked up more moisture, more humidity through the night, and that has brought some fog onto some of the coasts in the south, the west, and in fact across the south coast as well. A little bit foggy in Kent, but we do have some sunshine, as I showed you earlier. This is in North Yorkshire. And for England and Wales, it will be another lovely, warmer day than yesterday with some good spells of sunshine. But for Scotland and Northern Ireland, it has changed through the night. This is a weather front. So this is the rain here, trundling its way very slowly southwards, and it's almost grinding to a halt now across southern central Scotland and the north of Northern Ireland, which means that behind it, it'll be a brighter day for the north of Scotland, where we had the cloud, the wind and the rain yesterday afternoon, but it will be a very different feeling day across Northern Ireland, central and southern Scotland. Whilst for England and Wales, we've the morning fog, and that'll clear away. And the only fly in the ointment, if you like, this afternoon is if you don't like the heat, we could have a few isolated showers. In fact, there could be the odd light passing shower for Orkney, Shetland, the far northwest of Scotland. However, you can see even into the afternoon, the rain's still with us. In fact, it peps up a bit, and it's cool, just 14 or 15 degrees. Not like a summer's day at all across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. But northern England, down across Wales, the southwest, that mist and low clouds lifting. 24 to 27, probably conservative. I think we'll see a couple of degrees up on yesterday, so as high as 28, even 29, potentially in the southeast of England. So if you're heading off to the anniversary games, again, it's strong sunshine and it's quite humid air. So it will be a warm evening and a warm well into the night. Now, there's just the possibility as we go into the evening and overnight that these thunderstorms across France will creep towards the southeast of England. And then, of course, we may have our own homegrown thunderstorms, which will rumble away. And then our weather front overnight is also starting to push southwards into northern England and Wales, which means a chillier night in the north of Scotland, but a warm night elsewhere. And again, really quite oppressive in the southeast, particularly with that threat of some thunderstorms still around tomorrow morning. And tomorrow morning's a day of change, really. Sorry, tomorrow is a day of change, not just the morning. It's that transition from the heat and the humidity to a much more showery picture when we finally get rid of that humid air and we allow the Atlantic weather fronts to come in from Tuesday on. So it is all change, but another nice day for many, but not for all today. Sian and Roger.
We're noticing there, Helen, that London is markedly hotter at times, isn't it, than other parts? Is this my A-level geography letting me down? Is it an urban heat island? Is that what you call it?
Well, absolutely, that would be London in itself, would be probably a couple of degrees up perhaps on Reading further west. But again, that will obviously quite a big conurbation as well. But of course, we've got to remember that the highest temperatures normally don't get much more than the mid-teens in the north of Scotland anyway at this time of year. And you've got 5 degrees of latitude across the British Isles as well. And we're more likely to be having the influence of the continental air at this time of year across the southern half of the UK. And the Atlantic influence is never, ever too far away from the north of Scotland. Obviously, it doesn't help when we've got a weather front sat across us, does it? Obviously, with the sunshine yesterday in the central lowlands, we had temperatures into the high teens, low 20s. So it does even itself out a little bit more if we get the warm air pushing northwards and if we have no weather fronts around.
See, I asked you a question that you weren't expecting, and we get so much detail. That's
fantastic.
That's why you're top of your game,
Helen's
Helen. Thank you very much indeed.
Bye. See you later.
That's really fascinating. Bye. Really interesting. Absolutely.